The chief reason that folks are really leaning into this intelligent industry or intelligent operations space is still fundamentally driven by operational excellence. Think Six Sigma and Shingo. For folks in the manufacturing space, these terms have been around since the 70s. The difference now is you've got all these new technologies that are moving into that space that require being made sense of, and not all the folks that have come from that world are sort of tech native in the sense of knowing which of these technologies to apply, which is sort of the role that Capgemini plays for these folks. If you break down the areas that we focus on from a manufacturing perspective, there are really 4 areas that are relevant for us. One is about making the assets that are in that environment as sophisticated or as intelligent as possible. The second would be around how you plan your production and optimize it. So connecting those individual assets in the process to get different outcomes for the manufacturing environment. And then the third piece is the worker. So if you've got a more sophisticated asset and string of assets, enabling the workforce to be able to interact with that and enable them to be able to work in more remote locations. And then the fourth component would be trying to breed that into new capital projects. With the advent of some of the large infrastructure funds that are becoming available through the federal government, you're going to see large investments in capital infrastructure to support the energy transition, but also in response to this infrastructure bill. And our objective is to take some of these technologies and birth them early into the capital projects. So when they ultimately go into operations, you're taking advantage of that from day one.